Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Discovery Inn, Eureka. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Located less than 1 mile from Bayshore Mall, this pet-friendly motel features guest rooms with free Wi-Fi access and a cable TV. On-site guest laundry is also offered. A microwave and coffee maker are provided in every simply styled room at Discovery Inn, Eureka. A dining table with chairs is also included for guest convenience. Sequoia Park Zoo and Redwood Discovery Museum are within 2.5 miles of the Eureka Discovery Inn. Eureka Golf Course is a 6-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.